Problems on component and dividend. So problems based on this proportion properties. In that, one of them is component and dividend. So let us see few problems now how to solve. For example, solve. The question is 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 5 divided by 3x minus square root of 9x square minus 5 is equals to 5. So if any problems are like this, that means numerator and denominator, if you observe, same type of terms but with opposite sign. So like these problems mostly will apply directly component and dividend rule. So in this proportion. So here is 5, we can make it as just 5 by 1. Okay. Now according to the componendo and dividend rule. So if you see that according to this rule, if a by b is equals to c by d, then component and dividend rule is a plus b by a minus b is equals to c plus d by c minus d. So here is entire numerator is a and entire denominator is b. Here is the numerator is 5 is c and 1 is the d. Then so by solution, if you see, by componendo and dividend rule. So according to the component and dividend rule, just we can make like this. So if you observe, numerator plus denominator, 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 5. This is a plus b. B is 3x minus square root of 9x square minus 5. So a plus b by a minus b. Okay, numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. That is 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 5 plus same 3x, okay, minus here, minus 3x minus square root of 9x square minus 5. So I will show you once few sums. Just based on that you can do remaining also. Even c by d, that is 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1. So only the problems which are same terms but with opposite sign, we can use this method like this. Now let us simplify this. So 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 5 plus 3x minus square root of 9x square minus 5, numerator, divided by denominator is same 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 5, minus sign. So minus of this, minus 3x, minus into minus, plus square root of 9x square minus 5. This is 6 by 4. And here plus 9x square minus 5 minus 9x square minus 5 root cancel. Plus 3x minus 3x cancel. Compulsory get cancel. Now remaining you can simplify. That is 6x by, this is 2 times. So 2 times square root of 9x square minus 5 is equals to 6 by 4. This is 3 by 2. We cancel this. Then just do the cross multiplication, because we need to find out this. 6x into 2. Okay, 12x is equal to 3 2s are 6 into square root of 9x square minus 5. Even you can cancel like this. 6 1s are 6 2. So finally 2x is equal to square root of 9x square minus 5. Now I can apply the squaring on both the sides. Okay, by squaring on both the sides, because we need to remove the square root. So by squaring on both sides, so what we'll get, this is 2x whole square is equals to, this square and square root cancel if you apply squaring on both sides. So it's a 4x square is equal to 9x square minus 5. Simplify this. 9x square minus 4x square, take this side, right side, plus 5. Right? And continue simplification. 9 minus 4. 5x square is equals to 5. Then x square is equals to 1, because 5 divided by 5. So x is equal to plus or minus 1. And negative 1 is not satisfied, hence x is equals to plus 1 we can take. because x is not minus 1, should not take, because under square root. Okay, so the x is equal to 1. In this way we can solve any problem. That is only similar terms with opposite sign. We can apply this component and dividend rules. Okay, this is the one way. And let me show you one more problem also. Instead of showing directly, if they ask the question like this. Okay, if you see in this, if p is equals to, okay, question let me write. If p is equals to 4xy by x plus y, then for example they'll give one value, then find the value of p plus 2x by p minus 2x plus p plus 2y by p minus 2y. So this value you need to find out. So such type of problems, first we can see we have the p value 4xy by x plus y. Here is p by 2x, here p plus 2x and p minus 2x. I need to convert this given value according to this. So that means p is equals to 4xy by x plus y is given. So from this p by 2x, this is 4xy, right? So 2x into 2y, actually 4xy is. So 2x I took denominator, then remaining is 2y by x plus y. Because if I apply for this component and dividend rule, it will become like this question. Now for this by component and dividend rule, if you apply, okay, a by b is equal to c by d. All we know, a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. So if you apply, that is p plus 2x by p minus 2x. Here is this plus this, 2y plus x plus y. So 3y plus x, that I am writing. And this minus this, y minus x, because 2y minus y. That subtracting. Once you can take plus 2y plus x plus y, same 2y minus x minus y. So y minus x will become. Once again, there is component dividend rule. Let it be equation 1. Okay, now next one more is p plus 2y by p minus 2y. So what we should take? Same p is equals to 4xy by x plus y. From this p by 2y you take. Actually 4xy is 2x into 2y. So 2y if you take, one more 2x by same x plus y. For this also by applying component and dividend rule. By component and dividend rule if you apply, how it will get? P plus 2y by p minus 2y is equal to same. This is also adding and subtracting. 2x plus x plus y, 3x plus y, and this minus this, x minus y. This is the equation 2. So okay, to prove this, just you can add first and second equation. That's it, we'll get. So by adding 1 plus 2, then what will get? Directly p plus 2x by same p minus 2x plus p plus 2y by p minus 2y. LHS added and RHS also can add. That is 3y plus x by same y minus x plus 3x plus y by x minus y. Right? From this we can simplify to find out this. Okay, here is 3y plus x. X minus y, if I want to take y minus x, you can change the sign here. Minus of 3x plus y by y minus x. See here, y minus x and denominator is x minus y. If you want to make changes of this x minus y to become y minus x, change this sign. That's it, simple. Now 3y plus x minus 3x minus y by y minus x. 3y minus y is 2y minus 2x by y minus x. Take 2 common. 2 common, y minus x by same y minus x is denominator. Just cancel, that is equals to 2. Right? This is simple. And in this way we can solve few problems also. Not only this, when the questions are in this way, you can verify according to that how we can apply this component dividend rule. The problems are directly with the same terms and with opposite sign, directly go for component and dividend rule. So these are the problems we can see in this proportion and ratio problems also we have explained previous. Yes, so we can proceed in this way.